we're going to create some presets for it. So some intensity presets. These are great because this means you can recall an exact preset that you want to use, and therefore changing the preset on the fly is easy. Great for busking, great for theatre shows. So let's now split off our side window by using this control up here. We'll edit our group, our direct selects by right clicking on here and making it 25 so we can see. We'll make another direct select down here, making this intensity palettes. So what we can do is we'll just make this 25, and there we go. So we can now select our group 1 up here at 10. What we'll do is we'll go group 1, record here. So that's recorded our intensity palette 1 at 10%. So we'll call this 10. Then we'll record another intensity palette. So group 1 at 20. So group 1, record, there we go. That's it. So we've recorded that at 20%. So yeah, we can make as many intensity palettes as we want at any attribute, at any channel attribute between 1 and 100 on our intensity. So yeah, this is for dimmers, and this is a simple way to create intensity palettes.